Good afternoon, everyone. Is my voice is audible to you all? Can you post it from the chat box? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, okay. Good afternoon, Nana. Okay. Okay. In the last class, we discussed what is meant by software and what is the nature of software. Is it or not? And what are the different types of software? Okay. What are the different types of softwares, Nana? We have two types of softwares: application software and system software. Okay. What is system software and what is application software? Application software examples, can you give the any examples from the application software? Anyone? Last class we discussed what is application and what is system software. Business applications, Turbo C, mobile apps. Right. Next, can you give the examples for system apps? Sorry, system applications. Accounting application, this is mobile. System software examples, Nana. Linux, OS. These are operating systems. Microsoft, okay. Still more. DBMS. DBMS is a system software. Windows. Okay. System software is nothing but to run the system. Means what you want to do the application on the system, that task has to be completed within the time. Is it or not? What are the softwares which are supported for the system softwares like device drivers? Yes, we can say operating system software also, because it is a user interface. GUI we call it as graphical user interface. Okay. Next, and device means keyboard software means keyboard without installing this drivers in the system, this cannot be supported by the system. Is it or not? So these are the system softwares. DBMS and all those are nothing but a programming that is that are not a system software, will not come under system software. Okay. Okay, understood. And Microsoft maybe. Okay, to do the application, it has to be. Next, coming to nature of the software, already we discussed. What is software also we discussed. Now, application domains. What are the software application domains? Means, what are the main thing? What is meant by domains actually? First, we need to know what is meant by domain. Afterwards, we will discuss what is software application domain. Okay, what is domain? Means main focusing point, domain point, main point we call it as. Is it or not? Means what are those software application domains we have? Okay. First is system software. System software already we discussed, Nana. The softwares has to be supported by the to the system to do this task. Yes. Next, application software. Application software is nothing but means to do our business applications. As you all know, business applications means to do our tasks very easily. Means example, air ticket reservation, IRCTC, okay, Zoom app, and like Zomato app, okay, Swiggy, all these, Byju's, all these are the application softwares. Means to do certain applications, we are using this software. That is nothing but application software. Is it or not? Next, engineering and scientific software. Engineering and scientific software in the sense, see, from scientific knowledge means if you take from space to here, from the geographical view to space research, everywhere we are everywhere we are having a software. Is it or not? To engineer in the sense, what is engineer? Developing the new things. Yes. So if you go for the geographical views, there we need to, if you want to find a gas, is it or not? It is the gas is found in oceans or not? Where it is, how it is, from where we are getting? From the oceans. So how it is, where it is residing, which place it is residing, how we are able to recognize that through the software, is it or not? We are not digging the oceans now. Yes. So how it will be happen, Nana? Through engineering software, means scientific in the sense, from geographical view to scientific research, means orbit, space, or from the space orbit also, like sun, okay, Mars, and now the that is called Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan also was launched last week, but yes or no? These are all the softwares which are from geographical view to space research. That is engineering, means developing the new patterns and giving the such informations. Is it or not? Next, embedded software. What is embedded software? Means the software will reside in one thing. Means if you take a certain oven, okay, the keypad is there. So what the overall oven was controlled by keypad. Is it or not? If you want to stimulate and or if you want to heat it for certain temperature, through keypad only it is possible. Means all the features are residing in a certain system. So that is, the software will reside and supports the whole part of the system. That is embedded software. Next, what is product line software? Means to give the product, what is product and what is process. It is very, very important, Nana. Product is nothing but the overall developed, means full-fledged developed software. Process is nothing but to do certain task, okay, which task is going on, that is different, okay. So product line software means it has to fulfill what the product functionalities is there. If you take that as a system, okay, if the system has to be give the functionalities, like if you want to type something on from the keyboard, it has to display on the screen. Is it or not? If you want to listen a song from the system, you have to listen the audio very clearly. Is a functionality, some of the functionalities that we can see. Is it or not? So if you take any product, that product functionalities has to be fulfilled. That type of software is nothing but a product line software. Next, we have web applications. Web applications, what are the web applications? Like web apps, like all websites are nothing but web applications. Is it or not? Google.com, Gmail.com, these are all web applications. Okay, next, artificial intelligence software. What is artificial intelligence software in the sense? See, up to now, we are having a coding knowledge and testing knowledge, all these things. But all to code everything is not possible. Yes, we will. This artificial intelligence is very, very, very trending software, Nana. It is very efficient and very trending nowadays. Actually, if you go for the online courses and all those things on artificial intelligence, you will have a big demand. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence software in the sense? We will take images and patterns. From that, we will recognize the things, and we will able to give the solutions. Okay, image recognition, pattern recognitions, all will come under artificial intelligence. Now it is very, very booming, Nana. Just you go, focus on this when you feel free time, okay? And you can attend the sessions from internet also. Okay, okay, right. Next, what is the unique nature of web apps? What is meant by web app? Actually, already I said, web applications like Google. Any website is called as a web app. Means Google, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, all these are web apps. Is it or not? So how these web apps control? if you have a, see now, if you have a PC, okay, if you want to store the data or you have to retrieve the data or you have to process the data, what you will do, just from the system only will get it. Is it or not? If you want to save the image, that image will be there in a PC itself. Yes. Here, but in web applications, how it will be? This it can be stored in only personal PCs only? No, it has to be shared by different computers and different organizations. Is it or not? Internet is nothing but it is a worldwide application. Is it or not? So how it is interconnecting, Nana? How it is connecting through? Because of the web, that is client server structure. Okay, client server structure in the sense, if you want to, client means the user will ask something, means the user will request something and the server will find that request and will give the response, and that response can be seen by the client on the screen. Is it or not? Wherever you are, if you are browsing some data, you have to get the responses. So no. In the same way, means here how the structure is there here. It is like a client server structure. Means the client will request request her problem, and the server will respond to that problem. Is it or not? Like if you want to search for certain meaning, Nana. If you want to search like web app meaning, what you'll do, you go for the Google and you'll type, what you'll type? Web app meaning. Is it or not? You'll type web app meaning. When you get on search, your request is sent to the server, and server will collect all the information which is related to that request which you said, that is web app meaning, and will give the responses on the screen. Is it or not? You finding that is nothing but what is the structure here? Like client and server structure. So it is like a web apps. Okay. How the data can be managed, ma'am? You are saying that if you want the image can be stored in a local computer. Okay. But when you are dealing with the web apps, there the data can be stored. Yes. It can be stored by the third party. It can be stored by third party related manner. Okay. Like cloud or something, server based thing, servers will be maintained. There it will be stored. Okay. So web apps have evolved into sophisticated, here you just see the definition. So web apps have evolved into sophisticated computing tools that not only provide standalone function to the end user, but also have been integrated with corporate databases and business applications. So now what is this point resembles? What web apps have evolved into sophisticated computing tools. And in terms of what is meant by sophisticated means highly developed. What is sophisticated? Highly developed computing tools. What the computing tools which the web apps are using? Highly developed computing tools. Ante meer ఏ టాస్క్ ఇచ్చినా కంప్యూట్ చేసే కెపాసిటీ ఉన్న టూల్స్ ని provide చేస్తున్నాయి web apps. Okay, that not only provide standalone function. What is standalone function? If you give the request, definitely will get a response. Means we can give this, it will give the standalone function, and also to the end user. Means what end user will request, the response will get immediately because of this sophisticated computing tools. Okay, but also have been indicated with cooperated database and business applications. So మీరు మామూలుగా వెబ్ యాప్స్ లో టైప్ చేసేస్తే మాత్రం ఒక ఓన్లీ థర్డ్ పార్టీయే సేవ్ చేసుకుంటుందని లేదు. మీన్స్ it has to corporate databases, means individual databases ni different individual databases ni corporate chesi vati use chesko. Like cloud, if you see, okay, cloud also will have a database. Means cloud lo save cheskunna data alage untundi. Yes, so ఏమవుతుందన్న అలా different databases use చేస్తూ, and also business applications కోసం యూస్ చేస్తాం. Is it or not? మీరు డిఫరెంట్ ఎంఎన్సీస్ లో ఒకవేళ ఒక ఎంఎన్సీ లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, మీకు ఒకే ఆర్గనైజేషన్ కి సంబంధించిన డేటా ఓవరాల్ గా ఏ బ్రాంచెస్ కైనా వస్తాయి. Yes or no? Like if you see that if you are different departments, our organization will give this common message. Yes or no? Means business applications అంటే ఒక వాళ్ళ ప్యాటర్న్ లో అప్లికేషన్స్ ని డెవలప్ చేసుకోవడానికి వి యూజ్ దిస్. ఓకే, వెబ్ యాప్స్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాం అర్థమైంది తిన్నానా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ నౌ టిల్ నౌ? Can you post it from the chat box, Nana? Any doubts? What is meant by web app, or how it is processing? Post it on chat box, Nana. If you have any doubts, don't raise your hands. Just post it on chat box, Nana. Yes, while you are posting from the chat box, it will increase your defining your problem. Increase the ability to define your problem. Okay. Anyone? Yes or no? Post it fast, Nana. I have to go for the next concept. Did you understood? Ma'am, explain once. Oh, ma'am. Once again, I'm explaining, Nana, what is web app means. Web app is nothing but web application. Okay, web application anni. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి google.com కానీ gmail.com కానీ ఓకే లైక్ ఫేస్బుక్ కానీ ఓకే వాట్సాప్ కానీ అంటే మీరు గూగుల్లో టైప్ చేసే హెచ్టిటిపి ఫార్మాట్ వరల్డ్ వైడ్ వెబ్ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్ అందులో మీరు ఏది టైప్ చేసిన www. ఓకే gmail.com www.google.com ఇలా మీరు టైప్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా అలాంటి పేజెస్ అన్నిటిని మనం ఏమంటాము అంటే వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇవి. సో అలాంటి వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్, అవునా కాదా? ఎస్. సో అలాంటి అప్లికేషన్స్ ని అంటే మీరు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం మీరు ఏ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసినా అంటే మీరు నెట్ లో ఒక డేటా సర్చ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సర్చ్ ద డేటా ఆన్ ద వెబ్, వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ? If you will type www.google.com, or if you want yahoo.com, your wish. So you will type that, and there you will give your question. Means ఏదైనా ఒకటి కనుక్కోవాలి. Means what is software engineering? If you want to know a definition of software engineering, okay, you are searching for. What you will do? You will type it on the Google, and when you press enter, it will search and it will give the response. Is it or not? Definitions also different definitions. Different వెబ్సైట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ వెబ్సైట్ నుంచి మీకు డిఫరెంట్ డెఫినిషన్స్ వస్తాయి. అందులోంచి మీకు ఇష్టమైన డెఫినిషన్ చదువుకుంటారు. మీన్స్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్, యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఎ రిక్వెస్ట్ అండ్ దట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఈస్ ప్రాసెస్డ్ బై సర్వర్. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? మీరు క్లయింట్, యు ఆర్ ద క్లయింట్, అండ్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ అండ్ గివింగ్ రిలేటివ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎ సర్వర్. సో ఎలా కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది వెబ్ యాప్స్ అనేది? Through client and server applications. Okay, client and server structure dwara these web apps are working. Okay, so web apps ela work chestunnai because anta fast ga response how it is giving, because of it is having a highly sophisticated computing tools. Computing in the sense resolving, is it or not? Computing can compute easily. Alanti computing sophisticated is nothing but highly developed computing tools, in the sense within fraction of time it will count and it will give the relative information what you want. Okay, that type of tools this web apps will take and will provide our standalone function what we know we need that we can see on the screen. Is it or not? So that is the web apps functioning, Nana, how it goes on. So while you are doing this request and response, the data has to be stored. Is it or not? The data has to be stored and processed. Where it is storing? Because the third party server will provide this, will locate this information and also will be processed. So different databases it will take. What is corporate databases means? Different individual databases will be commonly collected and we'll call it as corporate. Is it or not? That corporate databases will take, and for business applications we use the web apps. Is it or not? That is the web apps nature. Now understood? Yes? Yes? Can you respond, Nana? Okay, Nana. Okay. Next. Thank you, Nana. Okay, next we'll go for the next concept. What are the following attributes for encounter vast majority of web apps? Web apps ni manam, when you're taking that concept web apps into your mind, what are the attributes we have to consider? Means main points, main focusing points about this web apps. What are those attributes, Nana? First, network intensiveness. Network intensiveness ante, now we have Zoom meeting, is it or not? We are having a Zoom meeting. How it is connected, Nana? Because through internet. Yes, the network is not within you and me. There are you is nothing but not one. Is of 118 members. Is it or not? 118 members networks is connected to this system network. Is it or not? Is it is a vast network or not? Is it connecting a network very easily? Yes. So what is network intensiveness means? It has to satisfy the different clients without any interruption. Understood? It has to be connected without any interruption. Means the client should not feel interruption while it is connecting with network. Yes, web apps మనం యూస్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటే దాని నుంచి మనకి మెయిన్ పాయింట్ తీసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటి? నెట్వర్క్ ఇంటెన్సివ్నెస్ మీన్స్ నెట్వర్క్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందా లేదా, ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కాన్కరెన్సీ. వాట్ ఈస్ కాన్కరెన్సీ నాన్న? ఒకేసారి డిఫరెంట్ క్లయింట్స్ ఒకేసారి వర్క్ చేయాలనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. నౌ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ది గూగుల్, at the same time you ask some question, from the other place some other person will request something. Is it or not? At the same time different users will access the Google at the same time. So it has to satisfy the different users at the same time. Yes or no? It has to respond to the requests coming from the clients at the same time. So that is concurrency. It should, when you are using the web apps, the concurrency also plays a vital role. Okay, next, unpredictable load. What is unpredictable load? We'll see that. We will see that. So if you are arranging some function, okay, we will estimate that 300 members will attend for the function. Okay, but unexpectedly you see that 500 members have attended the function. How you fulfill those 200 members which are extra at the simultaneous means is not visiting thing. Okay, we have to provide the food for them. So how? Then within the fraction of time, the food that is who is cooking that will be arranged the items what they want, and somewhat they not efficiently, but somewhat they will satisfy the remaining persons. Is it or not? So unpredictable load in the sense, in the web apps also, within the one time they may have thousands of users, but they will expect to have 1,000 users, 100 users. Okay, they expect to have 100 users at that time, but it may have 1,000 users at the same time. Then what they will do? Then what network has to do? Network has not be disturbed. The web application will not be disturbed because this attribute plays another vital role to fulfill the client. Okay, next, what is performance now? What is performance? See, if I am speaking here, okay, if my voice is not audible to you, or else what I am teaching is not reached to you, is a good performance of me and you? No. Is it or not? Is not a good performance because if that is not a Zoom meeting. Okay, is it a good performance? Means within the less time it has to provide a sufficient information. Is it or not? And given the functionality what they want. Yes, this is the coming to functionality, that is performance. Means it should work effectively in terms of processing speed. Means within the fraction of time it has to respond. Means, is it or not? If you want to such a definition or something else, it has to be responded very easily, or else it is rolling like this. What you feel is boring, or else you go for the next window. Yes or no? Yes. Through network problem only it will occur, is it or not? Performance also will consider when you are dealing with a web apps. Okay, next, availability. What is availability, Nana? Availability is nothing but 100% availability has to be given. Whenever the user required, it has to give the response according to the demand. Okay, next, data driven. What is data driven, Nana? What is data driven, Nana? Data driven is nothing but, see, web apps primary function. What is the web apps primary function, Nana? To present the text. Mainly the user will request for the text, or else images, or else videos, okay, or else graphics. Yes or no? Means different users has to be will request different types of data. So what the data is requesting from the client has to be given. So it has to be data driven or not, means different types of data has to be given to the end users. So is it a web app has to provide data driven concept? Yes, it must be data driven. Next, what is content sensitive? What is content sensitive, Nana? See, if you are searching for software engineering definition, if it is providing another type of information, is it a content which you want? No. So what the content want by the user has to be given. It is content sensitive, means sensitive in the sense, if it not providing a certain data, it will give the drawback for the web apps. Is it or not? Okati adigite okati samadhanam iste nana. Is it a thing which we want that content? No. What we need, that content will not be displayed. So is the content sensitive is reasonable for this web apps? Yes, obviously it will be used. Next, continuous evolution. What is continual evolution? If you are developing some software, that software, if you have any problems, that problem should be overcome by the next version. Is it or not? So any see here, unlike conventional application software that evolves over the series of planned chronological space releases, web application evolve continuously. So when you are developing a certain software, that software should provide a developing thing from the previous one. Okay. Next, immediacy. What is immediacy, Nana? Within the fraction of time it has to support. It has to compile and has to give the data. Although immediately it has to give. Okay, na? Next, security. Security also very, very important, Nana, because if you are using, if you are browsing some data that has to be provided by the security, it should not be, means ఇప్పుడు చూడండి మీరు ఏటీఎంకి వెళ్తారు, ఏటీఎంలో మనీ డ్రా చేస్తారు, అది మీరు ఎంత మనీ డ్రా చేస్తారు ఏంటి అనేది నెక్స్ట్ పర్సన్ కి తెలిసింది అనుకోండి, ఓకే, మీ పాస్వర్డ్ తెలిసింది అనుకోండి, ఈజ్ ఇట్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఎనీ సెక్యూరిటీ ఫర్ యువర్ అకౌంట్? No. Is it or not? Yes. In the same way, if you are having a business application, we have number of security patterns. అవునా కదా, మనకి సెక్యూరిటీ సంబంధించిన విషయాలు చాలా చాలా ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ విషయాలని మనం కంపల్సరీ హైడ్ చేయాలి. We should not give such information to the public. Yes or no? So that security should be provided by the web apps. Is it or not? Web applications లో మీరు చూడండి, మీరు బ్రౌజ్ చేసిన డేటా ఏం బ్రౌజ్ చేశారని మీరు క్లియర్ చేయకపోతే, then they used to know what your data was. Yes, cookies, all those will be formed. So అవన్నీ కూడా will give a certain, will play a certain role in your web apps. Means not only this, Nana, if you go for security reasons అంటే బిజినెస్ అప్లికేషన్స్ లో ఎక్కువ అనుకుంటాను ఎక్కువ. ఎస్, బిజినెస్ అప్లికేషన్స్ లో ఎక్కువ యూజ్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ కానీ, ఓకే, ఎనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ విచ్ ఇస్ రిలేటెడ్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్, మీన్స్ కొటేషన్స్, ఇలాంటి కొటేషన్స్ వేసినప్పుడు కానీ, ఇలాంటివి బిజినెస్ ఓరియంటెడ్ డేటాని మనం అందరికి పబ్లిక్ గా మనం డేటాని ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేయలేము. సో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, వీ హ్యావ్ టు హైడ్ దట్ డేటా. దట్ will be provided by the secure web apps. Okay, web apps ద్వారా ప్రొవైడ్ అయితేనే ఆ డొమైన్ ఒకటి కరెక్ట్ గా కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద డొమైన్స్. Did you understood what are the domains of softwares? That is attributes of the web apps. We discussed today what is web app, what are the attributes of web apps. Two topics. Nana, do you understood all the topic, and any doubt you have? Just post it on the chat box now. Just go through, Nana. Don't waste the time. Okay. Just, it's a theory. SE is a theory, but you can score. Okay. Any doubts you have? It's very easy, Nana. SE, if you involve it, is feeling very easy to write an exam also. If you know the concept, you can easily write the content. Yes? Any doubts? Yes? So, we discussed what is software. Okay, different, what is the nature of the software, and domains, what are the domains of softwares. Next, what is web app, and what are the attributes of web apps. Okay,